Hello, Tanzé, Bonjour. Rose hips, Roseha. Scientific name, Rosa canina L. One amazing fact about this fruit is that all roses are capable of creating rose hips. The reason behind this is that roses are actually part of the same scientific family, Rosaceae. The rose hip is described as tasting much like a crabapple, and like apple trees, roses also create different flavors of rose hips. Many agree that the best tasting rose hips come from species rose, defined as wild or pure roses of natural origin. This means if you were to grow roses and left the dead flowers to fall off naturally, you too could enjoy these amazing fruits. The Métis use rose hips as a source of vitamin C, which help fight infections and sore throats. On average, 1 cup of rose hips contains between 400 milligrams and 2,000 milligrams of vitamin C. The average adult only needs between 1,800 milligrams and 2,000 milligrams a day. The Nakota peoples called rose hips the itchy berry. This is due to the fact that the seeds contain little hairs which irritate the bowels and, of course, your bum. So be cautious and perhaps leave the seeds out when consuming rose hips straight from the plant. Rose hips are most often made into tea. The rose hips can be brewed fresh or dried. Rosehip tea can be brewed by first cleaning the rosehip. Then boil a pot of water and pour over the rose hips. The measurements are a quarter cup of fresh rose hips to 1 cup of hot water, or one dried heaping tablespoon. Let the tea steep for 15 minutes and strain out the pulp. Remember, the best time to harvest rose hips is after the first frost. The frost helps increase the natural sugar content, thus creating a sweeter berry for you to enjoy. Any information in this video is only meant to be educational, as we do not know what sprays are used in this area. We do not suggest consuming any leaves or barks in the plants at the park.